In this video, I'm going to show you how I made over $4,000 with Digistore affiliate marketing. And in this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how I did it. And guys, before we begin, my name is Yavar Khan. I create a lot of videos with affiliate marketing, simple, straightforward way. So please consider subscribing and let's get back to the video. So guys, as I always say, what time it is, it's time to make money, and this is your time, right? So again, as you could see my Digistore dashboard, and again I can refresh as well. So as you could see over here, I've made over more than $4,000. So first things first, you need to go in marketplace. Okay, once in your marketplace, always select sales rank, which means what's the first one which is selling really good. So what I could do is just figure out which products you want to promote. The one which I'm promoting is again the crypto quantum leap. Again, it's a high ticket item. So first things first, you can just click on promote now. Again, I can log in, and obviously it's really easy to sign in, so just do a login. So once I've done that, again, as you could see, then I can go over here to the affiliate crypto one. Again, it's going to show me everything. Now all I need to do is just grab my link, so I can just copy this thing, open a notepad, okay, paste it over here. And then again, what it says is replace your affiliate with your username. So my username is Yavar Khan. Okay, once that's done, all I need to do is copy and paste. Okay, and then just check if the link is working. Once I know the link is working, everything's good. Now the next thing what I need to do is go to webpage to PDF. Just copy before the question mark. Okay, just remove your affiliate ID, just come over here, paste it and convert. So once my file is downloaded, again my PDF is over here. Next thing what you need to do is just type in over here online PDF editor. Okay, so one of the editors which I use is called Sajda. Okay, so again it's an online PDF editor. All you need to do is just copy your PDF file. So again it's downloading, it's just 1 second left. Once this is done, just paste it over here. Okay, once you do that, it's getting uploaded. Once it gets uploaded, so once the PDF is uploaded, the next thing which you need to do is just take your affiliate link, just copy it, and then wherever you see a link, you need to paste it over there. So now all you need to do is just click on links. So let me see, where is my link over here? So if I come over here, so I could see a link over here. Just click on links. If I zoom in, click on links. Okay, just click over here, and then you need to paste your Digistore affiliate link. Okay, it's very important you paste over here, press enter. Okay, now again you can scroll down, wherever you see you need to paste the link. I always do it with photos as well. Paste it over here, and then let me just zoom in, press enter. Okay, scroll down. Again, you can do wherever you want, everything you need to know, and then you can just paste it over here. Okay, and then that's done. Now the next thing is, if you scroll down, now over here you can do a whiteout. So if I just click here, okay, just come back, whiteout, click over here, scroll down. Okay, now just select this, do a whiteout, and then apply changes. Once that's done, all you need to do is just download. Once this is downloaded, now the next thing what you need to do is go to this website called slideshare.net. The reason we are uploading over here is there are millions of users on this website. They come every day over here. So we are going to go and upload. Okay, so we are going to upload the document over here. Yeah, so it's getting verify that you are a human. Yes, I am. Now the title of this would be, let me scroll up, how to get rich with Bitcoin. Okay, and then just paste it over here, and make sure you add tags over here. Make money online, Bitcoin trading, make passive income. Okay, now that's done. Again, you can write a description as well. If you go over here, just copy this thing, go back on Skillshare, description is here, make it public, and select a category. Again, I would say investment, right? So let me just search. Let me see, it goes to real estate, service, technology. So I'm gonna put it into small business and entrepreneurship. I'm going to do is go and publish. Once this is done, I can copy this thing. So our first step is done, where you're going to get tons of traffic on this PDF. Now the next thing is you can go on Quora. Again, now if you don't know what is Quora is a place where people type a lot of questions and people answer. It's a big community like Twitter. In fact, it is much more, gives you much more information. You could say Quora average traffic per month. So as you could see over here, it gets more than 300 plus million monthly active users. Now what you need to do is, so once you are in Quora, all you need to do is just find a group where, if I say for example money, to make money online, if I click over here, I see a lot of questions. A lot of people are asking questions on how to make money. I would go with answers. I would click over here. I would select money. Okay, so there are 7.3 million followers, so you can open this as well, but I'm going to stick with this thing. So what is the best way to earn money? So I don't like this group, so I would go on this group, money, because that 7.2 million people following. Next thing is I'll do is click on answers, and again, what are the top 100 ideas on how to get rich? So again, if I click over here, I see a lot of people are following it, and there are related questions as well. So how can I get rich from other people's money? Is it possible to get rich? Quickly click on this related question. Once you're here, you need to answer this question. So all you need to do is just click on answer, and then first thing is you need to give some content. Okay, you need to provide value, and then you can use your link. So what I'm going to use is I'm going to use ChatGPT to create some content, and then I can add my link for Skillshare. So again, from ChatGPT, this is what I got. So I'm gonna just copy this thing, come back over here, paste it, and also I would say go back. You can also earn with bitcoins. Okay, and then all and if you just go back on your, just copy the headline, and you can even check the email swipes. Come back on Quora. Okay, if you earn with bitcoin, and also once I've written all of these things, now all you need to do is just go back on your Skillshare. So again, this is the place. Copy your SlideShare link, sorry, it's called SlideShare, and paste it over here. Again, that's it, and then you can literally post it. Okay, once this is done, again, it asks you for your credential, but this is how it is, and a lot of people will check it out. Okay, there are other questions as well. If you go back, there are other ways as well, right? So again, if you go on a group, make money online, there are 1.6 million people following, and you can answer all of these things as well. Literally, there are so many questions. Okay, so again, this is one way which you could make money. I'm gonna give you 2 more bonuses which you could do to make more money. One of them is Facebook groups. Okay, so again, all you need to do is just come on groups and type make money online. Once you enter it, and as you could see, there are 46,000 members, 25,000 members, 71,000 members. Just join one of the groups, open one of the groups, join the group, and as you could see, I need 95 active members for new project, daily payment. Okay, not this one. Make money online by writing stories for foreigners, for foreign companies. So I can copy this thing, I could just paste it over here, make something similar because this one's already working. Paste it over here. Again, I've not joined the group. You could say something like go back on ChatGPT. Okay, where is ChatGPT? I would say make similar headline. So again, I had to tweak a little bit, but again, that's what I told them. Make similar sentence related to Bitcoin. All you need to do is just copy this thing. Okay, come back on Facebook, paste it over here, comment yes if you are interested, comment yes if you are there. Okay, and then once I paste this, again, I'm not gonna get I think so I need to join the group to paste it. So again, that's how it is. Once people say, so let's say 102 comments, and there are a lot of other people looking at it, and once someone replies yes, teach me how, what you could do is literally you can copy the Skillshare link and paste it over there. Okay, so when he can read, or you can directly paste your Digistore link. Okay, now that's how it is, right? So I think so it's very simple. Join Facebook group, start commenting over there, or go on Quora, start answering all of these questions. How do I earn through Google Blogger. Just click over here, okay? Copy this thing, go back on ChatGPT, paste it over here. Once you do that, just stop generating. 2-3 points are more than enough. Copy this thing, come back over here. If you would like, then you can write, if you would like to earn money with bitcoins, it's much more easier, simpler, and you can make much more money rather than Blogger. So here is the link, go and check it out. And that's how you can start making tons of money, and just by providing value to people. So I hope you really like this video, and please, it's a free traffic method, try it out, let me know. And if you like this video, please consider subscribing. And if you want to learn about how you can do affiliate traffic with paid traffic, I've created a free course, the link is down below. And Yavar Khan signing off.